Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these brown butter and dark chocolate cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the mixture, grab yourself a mixing bowl and place in your brown butter, which is room temperature or give or take. Then add in your granulated white sugar, followed by the light brown sugar, then mix on a low speed to start with, working you up to a medium high, and mix until they become lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency, so around 5 to 7 minutes will work perfectly. That's what worked for me anyway. You can then go ahead and add in your eggs and vanilla, one at a time, beating well in between each addition, being careful not to split or scramble the mixture. Repeat the process until you have no eggs and no vanilla left, then just mix and it should become much lighter and fluffier like this. Then you can go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is a great way to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on, so make sure you get the very top of the bowl and the very bottom where the little divot is, as that's normally where on my mixing bowl that the bits catch, and you don't really want that. Then you can go ahead and add in your plain flour and your raisin agent, followed by the chocolate chips, and then mix on a low speed to start with, working right up to a medium high. And you just want to mix until a dough has formed, so being careful not to over mix, as you don't want to make a tough textured cookie. It should look something like this. Give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any dry bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So then for these cookies, you do need to weigh them instead of using a cookie scoop. So for me, it's around 70 grams per cookie, and I put 6 onto a standard size baking tray. You could put more, you could put one in between, so you could get 8 on there, but it's really up to you. I didn't want to risk it, but yeah, I've got 2 trays and I had some left over, but I froze the dough so I can bake them up at another time. I will leave all the baking times, temperatures, and everything else you need to know in the blog post, which will be linked in the description down below, so don't forget to check it out. So here are what the cookies look like once they come straight from the oven. They smell so good. I just like to scatter over some more dark chocolate chips. Again, this is completely optional as it's studded with chocolate chips already, but hey, it's a chocolate chip cookie, you want more, of course, you get more. Then you can use some of this salt. I'm using Maldon sea salt, but feel free to use whatever you want. I just take some and crush it between my fingers and sprinkle over the cookies, and this will help cut through the sweetness of the cookie and add a little something to the dark chocolate. Here's what they look like once they are fully baked and cooling. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.